myself, I think it's really exciting to see this positive feeling among the women, because for them it's even more important to get fair elections and to get a leader that's really working for women issues. Well, I'm very glad being here. It's also important for me to learn about your great work at the hospital. How long have you been studying at the hospital? 2 years.
They are motivated, they're hardworking, they're intelligent, but in spite of all that, they will not have access to institutions of higher learning. If anybody wants to go and do a university degree because she's from Somaliland,
No chance.
no chance, or very little chance. Again, it's the fault of the international community. One of the hardest things that I've had to face in my life is whenever I travel, trying to find scholarships for the top students.
To go abroad.
Yeah, because they are the future teachers. I'm 65 years old. I could drop dead right now. Well, but they are the people who are going to carry the torch tomorrow.
Yes, they are.
And unless they are given the kind of chances that I was given when I was their age, they will not be able to do it. And these are some of the things that we would like you to carry back to the Swedish government.